Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using a few new products to create these cool holographic mermaid skills. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. As always, I'm going to start by applying Nails Inc Nail Kale Superfood Base Coat to all of my nails. Then I'm going to apply this really cool polish from Nails Inc called Bossing It. And this is such a gorgeous polish. There's like blue and purple flecks inside. Then I'm going to apply Edge Perfection around my nail because I'm going to be stamping a full-size design. This is Born Pretty stamping plate in Flower Yarn S002, and I'm going to be using the mermaid full-size design in the corner of the plate. And I'm going to stamp the mermaid design onto my nail with Born Pretty's holographic stamping polish in Starry Star. I'm going to apply the stamping polish to about half of the image and then scrape it off and pick it up using a clear jelly stamper, which is also from Born Pretty. It was a little hard to see the design on the stamper itself, so I was a little worried that it wasn't going to show up that well on my nail, but it did, and I think it's because I used a dark base, so I would definitely recommend using a dark polish underneath this holographic stamping polish just to make sure it pops. Then I just removed the Edge Perfection with a pair of tweezers and applied a layer of fast drying top coat, and you're done! And here's the finished design. I also want to show you where I keep all of my stamping plates. So this is Born Pretty's hollow snakeskin stamping plate holder. It holds a total of 72 stamping plates, and on the inside there are 3 flaps. Each flap goes all the way to the bottom, and in the front flap I like to keep a spare scraper just so that I always have a scraper on hand. Then there are 8 double-sided pages of stamping plate holders, and the pages are covered by a translucent covering, so it's really easy to see which stamping plate is where. And the first 4 pages, they each hold 3 larger rectangular stamping plates on either side, and the last 4 pages in this holder have 6 slots, and these fit the smaller square or rounder stamping plates. Currently my stamping plate collection is small, but it is growing, and so that's why I haven't used the back sides of the pages just yet, but it is really nice and helpful to have all of my stamping plates in one spot where I can easily see what designs are on what plate. The only thing that I would say about this holder is that the zipper is a little bit flimsy in that little Born Pretty logo sometimes falls off if I'm not careful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. If you want to purchase some of these nail art supplies from Born Pretty store, be sure to use my code down in the description box below for 10% off your purchase. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!